How to archive and restore cards in Trello. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can archive and restore cards in Trello. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Trello account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to your own page. This is your own page actually. Here you will see the recent things you've done. You will see the highlight of the things you've done. And then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see your workspace. Under it, click on boards. Then after clicking on boards and your boards page, the next step is to navigate through to the board that you'd like to archive and restore its cards, and then you click on it. After clicking on it, next step is to select the card that you'd like to archive. I'll say this is the card I would like to archive. I'll just click on the pencil icon here. After clicking on the pencil icon, you can see some options being displayed by the right side of the screen. Okay, and then they include uh they include open card, edit cards. You can edit labels, sorry, change members, change cover, edit dates, move, copy, archive. Just go ahead and click on archive, and then just like that, that particular card has been archived. Now to restore this, all you need to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see the more option button, and then you click on it. After clicking on it, in the box display, just go ahead and click on archived items, and then you can see the card that has been archived. So to restore this, just click on it this way, and then once you click on it, details about the card will be displayed. Then you scroll down, and then you can see the option send to board. All right, just click on it, and then just like that, the card will be restored. As you can see, yeah, it has been restored. So this is basically how you can archive and restore cards in your Trello board. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.